Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This isn't your typical 72 Dodge Challenger. This one's really special. I got a lot to tell you about it. It is all number matching throughout. It's a 340 with a pistol grip 4-speed and a 391 sure grip rear end. It's absolutely rust-free, original metal. It's just a nice, clean car they started with, and then they did a full show quality restoration from the bottom up. So it's a true, documented, real deal, original metal, very high quality car. You're one of those people that don't want average or typical, you want the best of the best. We got it right here. If you visit volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, we have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified a few times a day as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this pistol grip 4-speed Challenger. Yeah, it's really cool. I've got a whole bunch of photos that document the process. Whoever, it looks like a woman's handwriting, but they wrote notes with each picture. The first picture is, and the note says that they're pulling it out of an elderly woman's garage. So this car had been parked for a long time. It is the original rust-free metal. There's pictures in here stripped down to a bare metal shell, and it's clean. There was a pretty good dent right here in this quarter panel. They said that's probably what saved the car, because when that happened, it got parked for a long time. So this quarter panel is the original. They straightened the dent. You would absolutely never know. It's pristine. So anyway, let me start with the bottom. It's just as slick as this. It's all painted orange underneath, and it's the original metal, original floors, even the trunk pan. And anyone who knows Mopars know these trunk pans rust out. It could be in the desert and they rust out. This is the original metal underneath, all painted orange. The front end, front suspension, all of it was out of the car. Again, this was just a shell, and I have pictures. But the front K-member was powder coated. All the front suspension and steering was rebuilt. The brakes were all redone. It has disc in front. It has a new exhaust system with Flowmasters, and it's got the square tips coming through the valance. It has its VIN number matched the original 4-speed that goes to this car, the one it was born with. And it's clean, and the linkage all looks fresh, and the clutch was replaced. And it also has the 391 sure grip rear end in the back. The fuel system's new. The tank, the straps, the sending unit, the lines, that's all been replaced. So I don't think I forgot anything under there. It looks like a show car underneath. Parking brake cables are hooked up too. It is a show car. As a matter of fact, there's pictures of it at a big indoor show, like a World of Wheels or something, and Chip Foose was there. They got pictures with him by this car. So this was at a pretty prestigious car show. It's that quality of car. Now the body, like I said, it was stripped down to bare metal. We have pictures to prove it was a rust-free car. It was always EV2, that's the code for the Hemi orange. It was always this color. It has no vinyl top. The panels fit so square and flush. I mean, this is spot on. This is really nice. It was sold new at Burton Dodge in Mount Airy, North Carolina. North Carolina happens to be where I bought the car, so it's lived in that area all of its life, I assume. The paint is like glass. I did not see any problem areas, no cracking, shrinking, bubbles. It is smooth, slick. Again, this is spot on. There's a little nick right at the corner, a tiny one, but this is nice. Door handles are beautiful. All this stainless trim is either new or it was professionally restored. It's polished like chrome. It's straight. Has a new windshield. This is the original mirror. If you look close, it's a little freckled, but really nice. So this is a real Rallye Challenger. It's right in the VIN number. So it's got the louvers on the fenders, the strobe stripe. It has the sport hood, new 340 emblems here. New bumper. This is all restored. The grill, the bezels, the lenses, everything's beautiful. Again, look at these gaps. Straight as an arrow, flush in the front. New correct antenna. I love the poverty wheels, the painted rims. The caps are in excellent shape. Taller in back. Look at the stance this thing has. It looks like a hot rod. It's cool. The door jambs. There's a smudge right here. Door jambs are beautiful. No rust. Look at the bolts and the rubber. Everything is excellent. The sill plates are real nice. Emblem looks nice. All this is excellent. It's painted black, the argent silver, all in beautiful shape. The rear window is really clear. I don't know if it's new because I see a couple little light marks, but it's close to new. So like I said, original trunk floor. You lift the mat. It's gloss orange. This isn't done halfway in here. It's done slick. The housings are clean, raw condition. The wiring is all neatly done. The insulation behind the seats new. The weather strips new. They did relocate the battery to the trunk, and it's bolted down. It's got new cables. The interior's all redone. We'll get to that in a second. Now this is the motor it was born with. VIN number match 340. Completely rebuilt, balanced, blueprinted motor. And it's all stock manifolds. When I opened the hood the first time, I swear to God in my head, I said, wow, because it's shiny. That air cleaner and all this orange is glossy. It's just beautiful. But it's got the Mopar hoses, the reproduction clamps. We got the shroud, the Mopar battery. All the components on the firewall are real nice. Does have power brakes. It's got horns. What we also have is the build sheet, which documents the car. The fender tag, the original fender tag, is still in place. The VIN number is stamped on the core support. It's stamped on the cowl. It matches the dash. It matches this. It matches the cowl tag. Matches the motor. Matches the trans. So it's got numbers matching all over this car. The interior is excellent. These panels are not beat up. Look how nice they are. And that's all the panels. The side ones were the trim. All the plastic panels are really nice shape. The dash pad is mint. The steering wheel's mint, not worn at all. New carpets. Got embroidered Challenger mats. It's got the seat belts front and back in real nice shape. It does have the Rallye dash with the tachometer and all the gauges. The original AM radio. It doesn't work, but it's there. Nothing is cut up or broken. It's got the cigarette lighter in the ashtray. Headliner is tight as a drum. The dome light works. Of course, there's the pistol grip shifter. That is just one of the coolest things that come out of the muscle car era, and it all looks pristine. We fire this one up. Car starts a little different. Some you gotta pump twice, some you don't touch the gas pedal. That one took a minute to start, but I'm sure there's a trick to starting it a little easier. Little cold, not warmed up at all yet. There you go. This thing is amazing. Again, it's not your typical car. I search for the best cars and you find them and the numbers don't match, or it's had new panels, or or the motor matches but the trans don't, or they do match but it's a color change. There's always something. This car is not apologizing for nothing because it doesn't need to. It's a gorgeous car, very high quality, show quality restoration. It's going to be a lot of fun to just own and to drive and enjoy. That pistol grip, the looks, I mean, they all look beautiful on the internet, but you want a really good one, this is it right here. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car, but if you have specific questions or concerns, please ask them. They will help assist you. They'll also help with the financing, delivery, all the paperwork. They can make that easy. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos as much as I enjoy making them, you can subscribe to that YouTube channel and click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one we make. Thanks for watching.